I don't know if I should start with the face first, or we'll go in with the eyes. Well, I think, oh my god, hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shira if it's your first time stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be talking and doing all things signature cosmetics. Now if it's your first time hearing about signature cosmetics, or you've seen it before and you don't know whether you should go and buy their products or try them out, well, you're at the right place, because today we are going to be doing a full face of signature cosmetics. We're going to be trying out their foundation, their powder, their lipstick, their eyeshadows and all that good stuff. So if it's your first time stopping by and you like videos like this and you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Without being said, guys, let's just get into this signature cosmetics review. When I went to Signature Cosmetics, I went there with the aim of me getting everything I needed. So the closest Signature Cosmetics store that is next to me did not have everything in terms like powders. They did not have powder in my complexion. They did not have eyebrow pencil as well. That's why I have my eyebrows already done, and my face powder. I think that's the only thing that we're going to treat. We're just going to treat to the face powder and the setting spray. So I'm just going to set my face and prime my face. So I don't know if I should start with the face first, or we'll go in with the eyes. Well, I think, oh my god. Okay, so we are back. If you're seeing wrinkles there, this all pink theme, I did it because of the Signature Cosmetics. Okay, so don't mind the creases if you see any wrinkles or creases. So I'm going to prime my eyes, and to prime my eyes I'll go in with the concealer. So I'll just use this concealer to lightly prime my eyes. This concealer feels very lightweight. Yes guys, this concealer, I'm just going to tell you the truth of what I think about all these products, okay? I'm not going to hide anything. If I don't like anything, I'm going to point it out. Number one, this concealer, no. This concealer is not a full coverage concealer. It is, I get it, it's liquid concealer, but this is like a tinted moisturizer, guys. This concealer, not my favorite. So we are going to go into the eyeshadow palettes. Now for the palettes, I picked up 2 eyeshadow palettes. I will put a video to show you guys the close-up of how this eyeshadow palettes look like. But yeah, so I got this eyeshadow palette. This is the exotic eyeshadow palette, and right here, this is the Eye Obsessions palette. This is a Huda Beauty dupe. Oh no, that. So this is the exotic eyeshadow palette. So it is a signature. Oh my gracious Lord, I am tired. Hell no. When will I finish filming? Okay, so that was round 2 of me trying to fix the backdrop. So as I was saying, so I'm going to go into this eyeshadow. Oh, so this is the signature eyeshadow palette. So it just says exotic signature, and this says me signature obsessions Eye Obsession palette. So my personal favorite is this eyeshadow palette, and oh, they all come with mirrors, by the way. They all come with mirrors, but this right here is my favorite eyeshadow palette because it's small. You can carry it anywhere. Even this one is small, but yeah. So we are going to go into these. Actually guys, this is the second time of me filming this video. The first time I thought your girl hit the record button. I did not hit the record button and I spoke all the way. Anyway, so for my transition, I'm going into this orange shade right here. So I'll just put this into my transition area, which is this area right here, and blend this color. So build the color up and blend it. So far guys, this eyeshadow palette is very pigmented. It doesn't have fallouts on the face, but it has fallouts in the pan. When I dip this way, I get fallouts. Ooh, so much fallouts. But very pigmented eyeshadow palette. So I'll just go into this deep brown right here, and I'm going to put this color in my crease. Just, you know, oh my gosh, I picked up a lot. This eyeshadow palette is very pigmented. So yeah, I'm adding depth to my crease. You know, guys, this eyeshadow palette is pigmented. This one specific, oh my gracious lord. And I keep adding, I don't know why I keep adding. This will be a very good color if you're doing a cut crease. You know, it will be very beautiful. It defines the crease. Did that thing fall again? It defines the crease. And then I'll just put this color into my outer V as well. This is a very beautiful color. It's almost black but not black. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not cutting the crease, but I'll still go in with the concealer so that the eyeshadow can have something to stick on. And I'll just put a little bit. So I'm using the brush that came with this exotic eyeshadow palette, and I'll go in with this. I'll pick this color right. It's a shimmer color, so I'll just put it at the outer side of my eye. So I'm going into a shimmer called Dreams, and I'll put this in my inner third of the eye. Okay, so they don't have mascara in Signature Cosmetics. At least from the store that I went to, they did not have mascara, they did not have eyelashes. Therefore, I'm going to use my mascara and eyelashes from another brand that I will not show here on camera. But let's move on to the face. I'll do that by the end. So we are going into foundation now. This is the Signature Extra Cover Foundation. So the claims that this foundation has is that it has a natural look, moisture rich, and lightweight feel. So this is a Signature foundation, and I'm just going to put it on my face. I already primed my face. Another 2 pumps on the other side. Okay, so this foundation right here, it claims that it has a natural look. I'm looking at myself, I don't know, you guys tell me, because I have so much light. When I look onto my monitor, I even feel like the foundation is way too lighter than my skin, of which I did not even put in my neck. So high moisture, yeah, so it's moisture rich. Like, I can feel it has like some kind of oil. I don't know if that's what they put into this foundation. Also, it gives me some kind of glow that I see here. And then it also says, I'm reading on the bottle, guys, it also says lightweight feel. Yeah, it is lightweight feel, but it ain't full coverage, honey. This foundation is. So I only picked up this concealer right here, and I'm going to put a lot just because I know the coverage here is not so much. So yeah. So to set my face, I'll use the Signature Translucent Powder. First of all, I'll just try and blend this using my same sponge, so that I'll blend the concealer in to make sure there's no creases, and then I'm not breaking. To contour my face, I picked up the Signature Extra Cover Stick. Yeah, so it says extra cover stick in the shade Dark Rust, and I'll just use to contour my face. So this stick right. Okay, so because they did not have any powders that were in my shade, I'm going to use this exotic I'll use this exotic eyeshadow palette to contour my face. And to contour my face, I will go in with the shade Passion, which is this color right here, at the corner. Just pick small, like. So I also got this. I also got this Lippy palette, kind of dirty. So this is a signature Lippy palette that I got. But as for me, I got this as a blush. I thought I would use this for blush. So I'm just gonna go into my brush. So I'll just mix these two colors and use that for blush. This also comes with a mirror, as you can see. So just pick little and so I also picked up this super soft. This is a signature super soft bronze. You can use this as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter, of which I'm going to be using it for as a highlighter. And I also picked up these two liquid lipsticks. So I picked up these two liquid lipsticks as well. So red is going to go very well with this look. That thing has dropped again, guys. Right now I am super tired because, dude, who did I offend today? Like, who have I offended? Okay guys, so this is a full face that I've achieved using the Signature Cosmetics. This is like a full face of Signature Cosmetics, guys. Like, wow, you guys charge for yourselves. Did I do this brand justice or nah? Please rate me down out of 10 and tell me what you think about this video. So I'm going to go through all the products individually, and then I'll just tell you which one is a hidden miss and which of these products are my favorite products. Okay, so let us start with the best. Okay, out of all this, what I love the best are the eyeshadow palettes. What I love are these products. These are my favorite products right here. I see myself using this again. Like, I definitely see myself using this. So this is obviously the Obsession. Why am I saying Obsession? The exotic eyeshadow palettes. This is highly pigmented. So as the Obsessions, also Eye Obsessions, very pigmented. Like, this is what I used on my eyes, guys. And this as well. I use this for my blush, but for lipstick you can use that, they say. Also this one you can. So this was 20 bucks, 20 rand, 40 rand, 100 rand, 50 rand. So this is less than 300 rands, guys, and I love this product. This is so amazing. I love them. I did not have any problem with it. So the other products that I like is a signature translucent powder. This powder is very affordable. I thought it was 70 rands, guys. If you do not have a translucent powder and you're looking to buy one, I highly recommend this. Just like I highly recommend the eyeshadow palettes, this powder is amazing. It was finely grated. I don't know if they grated them or they pound them. Like, there's no particles in this powder. I really love this powder, and it's the best. Like 70 rands, it's 70 rands. And what else? Obviously the lipstick, it doesn't stick. As you can see, it doesn't stick. I like the lipstick as well. I wish they had you know, their nudes are not black people's nudes, so yeah, I wish they had a wide range of them. The foundation I don't like. Okay, the foundation, it's not a full coverage foundation as they claim it is. Just like the concealer. The concealer is the least product that I like. Like the concealer, I don't like at all. I don't see myself purchase. Overall, I think I've gone through everything that I've used. The concealer, this one right here, this is not my favorite. Nah, I'm not seeing myself purchasing this anytime soon. No, I don't see myself repurchasing this. I just don't recommend this, but the rest of the products are fine. As you can see, I managed to come up with something on my face. The eyeshadow palettes, go buy if you have money or you have something spare, or you know, you're looking for affordable brand. You can go to eyeshadow, you can go to Signature Cosmetics if you're looking, you know, for an affordable brand that you don't even find in Discam or Clicks, in like it's just their own franchise. You can go. They normally have shops at in malls. Now I think every mall that you go to now, you're going to find a Signature Cosmetics store. Yeah, so eyeshadows, I recommend. The powder, I recommend. The foundations, I have mixed feeling about that. And the concealer, otherwise the rest of the stuff, they're good. So guys, we have come to an end of this video. Comment down below what you think about this video. Did I do Signature Cosmetics justice, or I did? So yeah, comment down below what you think about this video. And also, if you have other videos or any other products you would like me to try, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Okay, I am not going to stand up here and go fix that thing. Okay, I am not. Okay, what is this? Okay guys, so we have come to an end of this video. That thingy doesn't want to stick around. Okay. Okay, so I'm not going to stand up here and go fix it, because we have come to an end of this video. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Help your sister grow. Without being said, bye guys, and see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.